Hello, today we will be discussing the model P895, Validyne's test and measurement grade pressure transducer. This rugged transducer is available in a wide variety of pressure ranges and output signal types. It accepts both liquids and gases, provides outstanding performance over wide temperature ranges, and has fast dynamic response. This video will describe the salient features of the P895 and provide details about its capability. Here is a more detailed look at the P895. This round differential pressure transducer has a diameter of 1.975 inches and is 4.31 inches long to the pressure port. The standard pressure port for the P895 is 1/4 inch NPT female and is located on the sides of the sensor, and the positive port with a 1/4 inch male adapter located 180 degrees to the connector. The P895 also comes with a 5/16 inch AS5202/4 and ZTA41 and custom pressure port configurations. The model number, serial number, pressure range, and wiring information is located on a label in the middle of the body of the sensor, opposite to the differential pressure port. This electrical connector is mounted on the rear of the housing and is typically an Amphenol PT02A 6-pin military-style conductor. The P895 also has options for a D38999 A35 connector, WK4 cannon, or leads. The zero and span controls used for adjusting the output signal are found on the rear of the electronics housing next to the connector shell. They may be marked with a Z for zero and an S for span. The P895 is available in a wide variety of pressure ranges and can be configured for absolute, differential, or gauge and vacuum measurements. The P895 can be ordered with a full scale as low as 0 to plus or minus 0.125 psi. With standard accuracy of 0.1 full scale or better, the P895 is one of the most accurate pressure sensors Validyne offers. The P895 is also available in pressure ranges as high as 3,200 psi. These are used to measure typical hydraulic pressures. Although there are 23 differential full-scale ranges for the P895, from 0 to 1.25 psid to 3,200 psid. In addition, every P895 can withstand line pressures of up to 3,200 psig. This means a low-range P895 can be used to measure small pressure drops in a system, even if that system is running at a high-pressure line. The P895 is available with the most commonly specified output signals. The standard output is 0 to 5 volts DC over the full-scale pressure range. Offset voltage options and voltage outputs isolated from the power supply are also available. The P895 can be ordered with a 4 to 20 milliamp output and an offset 4 to 12 to 20 milliamp output. The P895 can be powered by any unregulated DC power supply that puts out plus 9 to plus 55 volts DC at 20 milliamps or more. Finally, there are new variants of the P895 with digital output capability, USB, CAN bus, and serial output options where pressure, temperature, calibration data, as well as the ability to set zero and span can all be done digitally. The P895 can operate at temperatures of negative 65 degrees Fahrenheit to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. We offer two options for temperature compensation. The standard is 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, and an optional custom range within the operating range of the sensor. The result is that the total error, including temperature effects and sensor error, is just 0.5% FS for the standard operating range. The low displacement volume of the P895 sensor allows it to be used for fast dynamic pressure measurements. The P895 will respond to changes in pressure of up to 80 Hz without distortion. This is a response time of just 3 milliseconds, and the response is even faster for liquid systems. The electronics are similarly designed to pass frequencies of up to 250 Hz, making the P895 ideal for transient studies and piping systems. The P895 series of pressure transducers and pressure transmitters has been used in a wide array of applications. It has been used extensively in the aerospace industry for flight tests and military, as well as commercial aircraft. Like all Validyne pressure sensors and pressure transducers, the P895 does not contain any silicone or oil in the sensor cavity. This makes the P895 ideal for applications in extreme temperature conditions. In summary, the P895 is a compact, robust pressure transducer that is available in a wide variety of pressure ranges, from units with a full scale of just plus or minus 0.125 psid up to high pressure ranges of plus or minus 3,200 psid. The P895 is available in an extensive variety of standard analog as well as digital signal outputs and is digitally corrected for high performance over wide operating temperature ranges. The small sensor cavity allows the P895 to have very fast response times, making it suitable for dynamic pressure measurement. Because of the modular nature of the design, the P895 can be customized from the pressure ports to the connector. The pressure calibration can be done in any units of pressure as well as custom temperature ranges. I hope this short overview of the P895 has been helpful for you and that you will keep Validyne in mind for your pressure measurement needs. Thanks for watching and listening. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon below to stay updated on the latest in pressure technology.